Hello, Russell Nollen here. Thank you for joining me. In this episode, I'm going to teach you a little bit of tricks and tips for tuning your guitar. Now, assuming that you're a beginner to this, whether you've got a new guitar or a used guitar from a music store, it should be ideally, optimally set up to play perfectly and should be very close to being in tune, if not right about there. Now, if you've got a used guitar from another source, perhaps a pawn shop, borrowed one from a friend, gotten one from a relative, or whatever, and whether it's a classical guitar, a steel string acoustic like this, or an electric guitar, this will all work the same. Now you can get, and I'd recommend getting an electronic tuner. You can also get apps for your phone that you can download for free that will help you tune your guitar. Now once you've got that in place and ready to go, you should see a screen that will show you the notes that it's hearing from each string, picking up a vibration or picking up a sound. Now the notes that we're going to be tuning to are as follows. If you look at your strings, think little string, little number, big string, big number. So your sixth string will be tuned to an E. Now, whether your guitar is a little bit higher or a little bit lower, you're going to need to make an adjustment. If you follow the string across the fretboard, through the nut, and to the tuning post, you're going to need to turn that tuning machine. And which way to tune it? You've got a 50-50 shot. And if it goes the wrong way, you know what to do then. So, some tips for you here. Going for that E, if that string is a little bit too low or if that pitch is a little bit too high, you'll need to adjust it again. If it's too high, rather than bringing it down to pitch where the needle is straight up and down, I want to bring it below and then bring it back up. And the reason for this is that once you detune a string, you'll give it a little slack, and over time it will tend to continue taking that slack and will go out of tune a little flatter, a little faster. Now once you bring it back up to pitch, you stretch the string out, give it a little extra tension, and it's going to have to work a little bit harder to get that string to be out of tune again. It'll tend to hold its pitch a little better. So, sixth string, E, fifth string, A, fourth string, D, third string, G, second string, B, and first string, E. Again, I hope these tips have helped you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Give a thumbs up if you like this. And feel free to subscribe to this video for more videos, and we'll look forward to seeing you in upcoming episodes. Thank you.